Samsung is ready to launch Z Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is ready to launch and the date is confirmed. Meanwhile, the colors and new crease on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is confirmed. Samsung even started a firmware production along with the mass production of both foldable phones. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to launch in August this year, and according to John Prosser, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to launch on August 10th along with Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. And Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are going to be available in the market on August 26th. Don't forget to pay close attention to pre-order deals since Samsung always surprises us. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new cameras on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? According to John Prosser, we may get 3 colors for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4: Phantom Black, Green, and Beige. For now, it is not clear that we only get these 3 colors. Samsung may include some other colors in the lineup later. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is going to add swipe up for a split screen functionality in the both foldable phones Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, a useful feature to have on your foldable devices. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are going to get 3 storage options: 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1TB version, and for all these we only get 12 gigs of RAM, no 16 gigs of RAM here. And the expected price for all 3 models are $1,699 for base model, $1,799 for 512, and $2,000 for 1TB version. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 are going to get a brighter display than the last generation Z Fold 3, and the inner and the outer display will have a wider aspect ratios than Z Fold 3. It is confirmed by Ice Universe and Rossing as well, but don't expect a big change till the change on the Z Fold 4 is noticeable. 6.2 inches outer display and 7.6 inches inner display. The cameras on the Z Fold 4 will be 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, 10 megapixel selfie camera, and only 4 megapixel under display camera, which is almost useless, I would say. And the crease on the Z Fold 4 is amazing. In my last video I talked about it, and yes, the picture is almost clear the crease. As Ice Universe shared a picture, and crease on Z Fold 4 looks promising and not looks bad in any case. We just see a single black line between 2 displays. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the new cameras on Galaxy Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.